Hi, this is Charles Dresser from Caldwell. Today I want to explain one of the most important parts of any patent case, claim construction, and the role of a Markman hearing. Think of the claims in a patent like the property lines in a deed. They set the exact boundaries of what the inventor owns. If someone makes or sells something inside those boundaries after the patent issues, that's infringement. So understanding what the claims actually mean is critical. But claims are written in dense, technical language. So who decides how to interpret them? In litigation, that job belongs to the judge, not the jury. Early in the case, the court holds what's called a Markman hearing, named after a Supreme Court decision which confirmed that interpreting patent language is a legal question for the judge. At a Markman hearing, the judge looks at different layers of context to understand disputed terms. They start with the plain meaning of the words, then look at the specification, then to the USPTO's prosecution history, and only if needed to external evidence, like technical expert testimony. When the judge relies on experts to explain technical terms, the Supreme Court calls that subsidiary fact-finding. Because of this, the patent holder's presentation during a Markman hearing is incredibly important. Walking the judge through the patent's drawings or prosecution history can be very persuasive, especially when those materials clearly support your interpretation. Sometimes, the meaning of a single claim term can decide the entire case. When that happens, the losing party may appeal. On appeal, legal questions, like interpretations based solely on the patent text, are reviewed de novo, meaning the appellate court takes a fresh look. But if the trial judge made factual findings based on expert testimony, those are reviewed only for clear error, which is a much higher bar. This balance helps trial courts build the factual record and ensures that highly technical terms, once interpreted with expert help, don't suddenly change meaning on appeal.